In today's video, I'm going to show you how to switch to the Hostinger old email platform in just a few simple steps. If you've been looking for the classic Hostinger Webmail interface and want to get back to the old platform, this tutorial will walk you through exactly what to do. This is a quick and easy process, and by the end, you'll know how to log in, find the right menu, and switch platforms without any confusion. If this video helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to webmail.hostinger.com. This is the Hostinger Webmail login page, and it's where you need to start before you can switch over to the old email platform. Once the page loads, you'll see the login form where you can enter your email address and password. Type in your mail credentials carefully, because if either one is incorrect, you won't be able to access the account. After entering your login details, click the Sign In or Login button to continue. Give the page a moment to load while Hostinger verifies your account. Once you're inside your email dashboard, look to the top right corner of the screen. You should see your profile picture or account icon there. This is the menu you need for the next step, so go ahead and click on it. When the drop-down menu appears, look through the available options. You should see an option that says Switch to Old Platform. This is the setting that will take you back to the older Hostinger email interface. Click that option and Hostinger will begin switching your account to the old platform. Depending on your account and browser, the page may refresh or reload for a moment. That's completely normal. Just wait for the transition to finish, and then your email interface should appear in the older layout. At that point, you've successfully switched to the Hostinger old email platform. If you don't see the option right away, make sure you're logged into the correct account and that you're checking the profile menu in the top right corner. Sometimes the interface can move slightly depending on updates, so it helps to look carefully for the profile picture or account dropdown. But in most cases, the switch is available exactly where we just covered, and that's it. You've now learned how to switch to the Hostinger old email platform using the webmail login page and the profile menu. It only takes a few clicks, but it can make a big difference if you prefer the previous layout or are more comfortable using the older interface. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.